You've worked hard to earn enough money to purchase your car and are buying insurance to protect your investment. After all, you can't afford to pay for a big accident out of your own pocket. But how do you know how much insurance you need? The amount of insurance you purchase is usually called your policy limit, or limit of coverage. It's the maximum amount your insurance company will pay for a particular loss or losses while your insurance policy is in effect. Your policy may include a variety of limits, so we'll take a look at the main kinds. First, let's look at liability insurance. If you are found legally responsible for harm to someone else or their property, you will have to pay for the damages you caused. Liability insurance can help with that. In an auto policy, the portion that pays for harm to another person is called bodily injury. You will likely see a set of two numbers for that coverage limit, something like $250, $500. The first number is the amount the insurance company will pay per person in an accident. The second number is the total amount the company will pay for an accident, regardless of how many people are involved. The numbers are in thousands, so if your policy shows $250, $500, it means $250,000 per person, $500,000 total. A separate coverage applies if you cause damage to someone else's vehicle or property. Suppose you have an accident and your vehicle damages not only the other party's vehicle, but a fence alongside the road. Coverage for this is referred to as property damage. You'll see a different limit for that on your policy. It's usually one number and is the total your insurance company will pay for all property damaged as a result of any one accident. Sometimes, insurance companies will put all three of these numbers together. If you see $250, $500, $100, it means your limits are $250,000 per person for bodily injury, $500,000 total per accident for bodily injury, and $100,000 total for property damage per accident. So what about protecting your property? An auto insurance policy can include coverage for damage to your car by purchasing comprehensive and collision coverage. Rather than a predetermined limit, a loss to your vehicle is settled based on its current value. Even when simplified, understanding your insurance policies is easier said than done. That's where your independent agent comes in. They are there to answer your questions and help you understand which coverages and limits you need to protect you and your family. To help you make the right choices, be sure to contact your local independent agent today.